running Facebook ads without Meta Business Manager and Meta Pixel, then you could be wasting money every single day. Most business focus on creating ads, but very few focus on the system that marketing those ads profitable, and that's exactly why many Facebook ads campaign fail. Let's talk about two of the most important tools in Facebook advertising: Meta Business Manager and Meta Pixel. If you are serious about growing your business online, these are not optional. They are essential. First, let's understand Meta Business Manager. Think of Meta Business Manager as the control center of your business. It's where you manage your Facebook page, Instagram account, ad account, team member, and advertising assets. Without Business Manager, managing your marketing becomes difficult and unorganized. A proper Business Manager setup keep your business secure, professional, and ready to scale. Now, let's talk about Meta Pixel. Meta Pixel is one of the most powerful tools available for Facebook advertisers. It's a small price of code installed on your website. But don't let size fool you. It can completely change the performance of your advertising campaign. Here's what happens when someone clicks on your Facebook ad and visit your website. Without Metapixel, Facebook doesn't know what happens next. Did the visitor buy? Did they leave? Did they add a product to their cart? Facebook has no idea. And if Facebook doesn't have a data, it can't optimize your campaign effectively. Now imagine the same situation with Metapixel installed. Facebook can track important actions such as website visit, product views, add to cart, checkout initiated, purchase, lead from submission. This data helps Facebook find more people who are likely to become customers, and that's where the real power begins. With Metapixel, you can create highly targeted campaign based on your actual user behavior. For example, someone visited your website but didn't buy. Instead of losing the potential customer forever, you can show them a retargeting ad. Someone added a product their cart but didn't complete the purchase. You can remind them to come back and finish their order. This is called retargeting, and it's one of the highest converting strategies in digital marketing. But that's not all. Metapixel also helps you understand which ads are generating results. Instead of guessing, you will know exactly which ad generated lead, which audience converted base, which campaign product sales, where your budget is performing well. That allows you to make smarter marketing decisions and increase your return on investment. Unfortunately, many business makes the same mistake. They launch Facebook ads without Meta Business Manager. They run campaigns without Meta Pixel, and then they wonder why they aren't getting lead or sales. The problem isn't Facebook ads. The problem is the missing foundation behind the ad. Successful advertising isn't just about creating campaigns. It's about building a complete marketing system, and that system starts with Meta Business Manager setup, Meta Pixel installation, conversion tracking, retargeting strategy, campaign optimization. When these elements work together, your ads become more intelligent, more efficient, and more profitable. Better audience targeting, more qualified leads, higher return on investment, faster business growth. So before you spend another dollar on Facebook ads, ask yourself, is my Meta Business Manager set up correctly? Is my Meta Pixel tracking conversion properly? Because the business that's win with Facebook ads aren't just running ads, that's using data to make smarter decisions. Need self settings up Meta Business Manager and Meta Pixel for your business. Send me a message today and let's build the foundation for profitable Facebook advertising.